Gotta love Carb Day.
Checker flight flew. Practice is over now. Wow.
Tuesday, I did, yeah. There's pictures floating around somewhere, so that was first for me. That was pretty fun. Have you been to Cal before? No, first time. I just heard it.
Not a good jump by Newgarden there.
Who's going to work?
Yeah!
Now let's watch it.
Woo!
That is trippy.
Yeah. All right. Well, we've made it now to IRP Carb Night Classic, which is about to happen about a couple hours. Only problem is, looks like it's about to fucking storm. So, yeah, that's gonna be fun. And well, there's been gonna be threats of rain pretty much every other day for the rest of the week. So, just gotta hope for the best, and yeah, hopefully the rain holds off here. Well, as soon as I get my tickets and my pit pass, it fucking rains. Mother damn. Okay, it really just started raining now. Holy shit, dude. God, this sucks.
On a small cam, in my opinion, just seeing him on track, he looks so hooked up. He's able to follow, able to get closer to cars and most of it.
Tomorrow.
Round 2. Let's get it.
We'll go ahead and send it down trackside. Receive. Rain City Associated Rice in the Fort Mario Class, unfortunately not due to return today. Was fifth coming into the weekend. Taylor Fern.
Silver Crowns. They're loading up, heading over to Anderson for the Little 500.
That's not bad. That's probably one for.
I just realized I haven't even talked much in this vlog. I mean, unfortunately, the weather it's been kind of cruel this week. Not gonna lie. So, really hoping things are. We will have the window to get in at least halfway for the Indy 500 tomorrow. But yeah, we are back here again. Second time here in Indiana. It's been great so far. As you can see, we've got the USF Pro Series about to get underway. But yeah, I mean, the weather has just been, it's just been crazy over this past, I'd say, couple of I'd say close to 24 hours right now. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. I'm really hoping that there is going to be a small window that we can get it in. But yeah. Anyways, USF about to get underway. Final series of the day. Here we go.
Way back, Washington's going to go to the bottom of the last row of their three. Another drive to the bottom here. James Denmark. Here's another one. Denmark right there. He's going to come across a little bit. He can take some of the air out there. Again, top side.
Alright, we're done with IRP, and you already know what we're about to do. Alright everyone, well it's been a few hours since we've got back from IRP and Mugget Bun, but yeah, we didn't end up going to Legends Day. 2 years ago you saw that that we actually did go to Legends Day over at the track, but it was not only a lot of people, but also with the fact that the rain came yesterday, we ended up choosing IRP. And hopefully you guys enjoyed the little footage I had. But yeah, I've got we've got, well, actually, it's on commercial break right now, but we've got Cup Series qualifying on. They're at Charlotte this week. Yeah. So here exactly is the situation here. It is expected, many forecasts have said, that tomorrow is going to be a washout. If it actually rains true that there is a washout, we unfortunately cannot stay. I'm rooming right now with 2 other friends of mine. One of them has to take me back, which is about 10 hours to New York, plus he has to go to work. But it is very rare that the Indy 500 ever gets postponed. And, well, the last time we had something like this happen was 2019. It was projected to be like a 100% chance of rain. And lo and behold, it ended up being overcast, no rain ended up falling, and they ended up getting the whole race in. Fingers crossed that will be the case again this year. If not, hopefully we can at least be able to get to halfway. That's kind of what I'm mostly hoping for with this race tomorrow. But yeah, I really hope things are going to work out. Things will work out, and the rain will not affect us, and that we will be able to go racing tomorrow in the 108th running of the Indianapolis 500. So, with all that said, folks, better say your prayers, everybody. We'll see you guys tomorrow morning.
3:28 a.m.
Whew. Well, we're about to find out if we're going to have a race today. But yeah, it is just past 3:30 in the morning, and waiting on Robbie and Brian to come back. And then we are off to IMS to get her to our parking spot. Fingers crossed today. You can only hope. Anyways, got the Larson hat on. Got my Joseph Newgarden jersey. Let's get it. There it is. There's just nothing better than just waking up, seeing all these cars parked, and getting ready for one of the biggest motorsports events of the year. Can't believe this is my second one. I was here in 22 when Jimmy did his first attempt, and now here again, 2024. Not only to see Larson's first attempt, but hopefully Newgarden will make it 2 in a row. So yeah, just a little while we'll be heading back into the midway infield and whatnot. A little while. I also know that Jimmy's going to be here a little later today with NBC, since he's doing part of the TV coverage and whatnot. So hopefully I'll get to be a part of that. But yeah, see how the rest of the morning goes.
Yeah, that's okay. They're probably going to be
Shifter girl, this is fun.
Woo! Come on, can you get it going, baby? Yeah!
There he goes. One more for you to go.
All right, P. Joe DeFerrin. Fucking legend, bro. All right, guys. Well, we're about, I'd say, an hour and a half away from the Indy 500 officially starting, but there's a big system of rain that is threatening to loom over the speedway within the next hour. We got Brooks here. If and when we do get this race eventually going, which hopefully will be later today, this afternoon, it'll probably be under a delay. But what do you got? Who do you got winning this race?
I mean, realistically, I'd say probably one of the Penske's. They've been fast all month.
Okay.
I mean, obviously Ericsson for me, but we're starting 30 seconds, so I don't think we're going to be up towards the front for the win. But you never know.
I was hanging out with somebody else earlier today, and he asked like who was my pick to win the 500, and I think this might actually rate true. I'm going with Colin Herta.
Oh boy!
Because not only do I think that the Hondas are going to be better on fuel mileage, you know, for somebody like Herta, he's struggled the past couple of years here at Indy, but he has a pretty good starting spot. He's starting, I believe, in what, 13th, the first
13th.
one outside the fast 12. So we'll see. I think Colin Herta would be a pretty good sleeper. But realistically, I'd probably would have to say maybe one of the Penske guys. I'm hoping it's Newgarden for the second year in a row. But it'd be pretty cool to see McLaughlin or Power get it. So, but yeah. So what we're pretty much going to do now is just going to wait this out. We're probably going to head over to find some shelter for the impending rain, and then we'll see what happens from there. Well, motherfucker. Well, we finally found a spot. Now all we have to do is brace for impact. Ladies and gentlemen, it's the greatest spectacle in raining. Oh, this fucking sucks. What the fuck? Golly. All right, after about, I'd say, a 90 or so minute, or close to 2 hours of rain there, we have got the word from Alan Bestwick that people are allowed back in the grandstands. So, so there's a chance. There is a chance. We kept checking the radar. We have a window to try to get this in. So, fingers crossed that is exactly the case. Hopefully, we won't be flirting with another of these showers, and hopefully not darkness as well. But darkness here is like 9 o'clock, so we have plenty of time to get this in.
Plenty of time.
But yeah. What is she? Let's see what she looks like. Hey, not too bad.
It's not flooded.
No.
Champion in his first Indy 500, and going today for the 1100-mile double, Kyle Larson.
Yeah! Let's go!
And the winner of the big 120 of the Indianapolis 500, Alexander Rossi. And now the front row, the defending champion, winner of the 2023 Indianapolis 500, Joseph Newgarden. The 2018 Indianapolis 500 winner, two-time NTT IndyCar Series champion, Will Power. And on
pole position with the fastest pole speed in Indianapolis 500 history, 234.220 miles per hour. It's Scott McLaughlin.
Yeah, Scotty!
Bless these drivers, their teams, the officials, and all the fans. Make this gathering a time of gratitude for human achievement while we savor so many glimpses of your glory. God bless those who have died for our freedom. God bless all those gathered for this, the greatest spectacle in racing, and God bless America.
Amen.
And the rockets regulate, the bones bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Say, does that star-spangled banner yet wave?
There's the flyover. There it is.
In the home of the rain.
All right, well, we just got the update now. Allgaier is going to be starting in the Coke 600. Just got the update like about 5 minutes ago. So, Marcy's choosing to run this over the 600. Honestly, a smart move in my opinion. I know he's worked so hard for this. But anyways, let's get it.
When I dream about the moonlight on the waters, then I long for my Indiana.
The stage is for the men and the women and the first responders who keep our country safe and secure. Give them a big hand. Now on to the greatest race. Drivers, start your engine.
Your presence today, thanks for your support as they go through turn 3 for the first time.
Yeah, let's keep that tradition alive as they come by on this first lap. Let's all wave to the field. Let's give them a wave. Coming, salute up, turn 3.
So honoring these round drivers, Indy Jr. accelerates away from the field in the 2024 Chevrolet Corvette E-Ray 3LZ Coupe. And it's up.
11 rows of 3 stretching out. And the 108th running of the Indianapolis 500 is on. Will Power looking to the outside. McLaughlin maintains position. The field. Smoothly. Oh, they're going to crash into one.
3 cars involved.
1, 2, 3.
Fittipaldi, one of those involved. That is Tom Blomqvist
And
Marcus Ericsson, right off 2 years ago. Swept up in a crash in the first quarter.
Almost safely through one, and all of a sudden back in the field issues. Ericsson, Fittipaldi involved in this accident. Up to start to 2. There's Marcus Ericsson out of the car.
Big
run for fourth place by Alexander Rossi. Oh, they touch wheels right there.
Larson touches wheels. 3 wide, 4 wide. Let's get him through turn 1 safely. High out of the groove. Everybody's through 1. Let's get him through 2. Safely through 2.
Racing for that spot. For this 500 in the drive for 5. Yellow flag for the second time. Now
He
watch,
stays on track. Here we go.
watch this shot, because when all these cars start to exit their pit lane, it gets a little tight down there.
McLaughlin quickly. He maintains lead. Let's see if everybody gets out clean here.
Everybody cleanly through turn 2, down the back straightaway. So it's Daly.
Disappointment for Rosenquist. He's going to need some help on track. Bring that to a stop. Out of turn 2. Solid effort by Stingray Rob. Has led 10 laps in this race.
10th position.
And the Gerda crash. Stand by, he's climbing out of the car. Gerda out of the car, that's the good news. Larson is 7th. He is figuring it out. Rossi is 8th. Gets a hold of that machine and blows it up there on the warm-up lane, but damage to the car. Contact with the 23.
We caught the back part of that. I'd like to know what got all that grass, how the 23 got off into the grass and did all that lawn mowing. Let's see here.
We'll find out right here.
Makes a move. Oh, got into the grass with the left side and then contact there.
Yep, make contact with that car in front of him.
That's
Here's the
Callum
replay.
Ilott.
That's
Oh, that's
Dixon.
Dixon.
Yeah,
Wow.
makes contact with Scott Dixon. So 2 former champions making contact. Let's go, right? Here we go, Doug. It's green. Eyes back on the race course. It's Newgarden and McLaughlin up front with Ferrucci in the middle. Who's going to get point here?
Into turn number 1, McLaughlin will go through to the race lead. He'll take the top spot back. Newgarden slides to second, holds on to that spot, car out of line and spinning at the back of the field. Marco Andretti and catches the back of the car on the wall. Yellow is back out. Marco Andretti spinning in turn 1.
Back end got away from him. Andretti spins out.
Augustine Canapino on the pit lane for service. And eyes now down on the lead end of pit road. Kyle Larson, still on control.
3 500s. For victory. Will Power. He was running 20th. 3 500s. 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 3
Dixon, and was in that outside lane.
Oh, Scott Dixon, green flag waves, restart. Here we go. 3 wide.
Here goes to the inside, O'Ward to the outside, Rossi. They sandwich Dixon, and they're 3 wide, a little farther back.
Hang on to it, way wide, way wide. Pato O'Ward with a nice jump on that restart. And Rossi goes to up front. Rossi with the move.
And Connor Daly.
Gotta have it. Let's see what happens.
That was Augustine Canapino. So has put himself between. Simpson are back in the middle.
He's got to run on him. Can Pato make another run? Here we go.
Across the yard bridge, 2 laps to go. Newgarden will hold the lead this time. Into turn number 1. O'Ward trying to keep that gap from growing. See if he can close in on the back straightaway. They're coming toward the white flag.
Yes, they are. We're getting down.
He's got one.
2 laps. Next time by the white flag. Here comes Pato. Coming up hot on him in turn 1. Snaking down the track. Here comes outside! And he got him! Newgarden chasing Pato O'Ward. Pato O'Ward in turn number 2. He is in turn 2. He's turned left to Indianapolis Motor Speedway. Snaking down the backstretch. Let's see what happens. Here comes Jason Newgarden. Wow, what a finish.
But down the main straightaway, with his whole last second of the race, the outside.
And he made it stick. He made it stick.
Number 20.
Congratulations to Roger Pesky and the entire team. 20th victory.
I think these fans know what's going to happen here.
Here we go. Here he comes. He's stopping once again at the yard bricks. He did it. Joseph Newgarden climbing out. High fives and hugs. He's going back into the stand. He's going up in the stands. What a celebration. He did it again. Joseph Newgarden.
Cheater, no? Cheater? Newgarden? It still pushed past on the elbow, right?
What a dramatic finish to the 500.
Just what we thought we'd get.
He's climbing back down.
They came here. They came here with the fastest cars. Worked their tails off. They team Chevy brought it. Luke, Tang, they're not here today, but they're a huge part of this. They're just so proud of the team to team. That's the way I wanted to win the thing right there. Congratulations. 300,000 fans in the state of Indianapolis got to celebrate. That's so cool. Turn 3. I should have stopped.
Baby!
If I could, I would come right through this fence right here if I could.
Fuck yeah! Woo!
Let's go. Bring it on, right?
Holy shit, bro. Oh my gosh. It's been a minute since I vlogged one of these trips and my driver actually won. That is insane. Wow. What a fucking pass. What a motherfucking pass on the last lap. Just all these hours ago, I had severe doubts. I didn't think we were going to get any racing at all today. But somehow we not only got all 200 win, we got it to finish on Sunday, but my guy ends up winning the race. Unfortunately, Larson, he ended up 18th. Would have been a top 10 probably for him, but he did really well. He did really well for his first time, and I'm glad he decided to choose the Indy 500 over the Coke 600, which right now that's happening. And as I'm recording this, Jimmy's already 2 laps down, so whatever. Yeah, I can't fucking believe it, man. I can't fucking believe it. And that is to make up for me not going last year. That is absolutely to make up for last year, not being able to go. Holy fucking shit, man. We just silenced a lot of doubters today. I mean, yeah, you know, the cheating thing, that's gonna forever hold on our heads. But they have no excuses this time. They have 0 excuses. And there you have it, folks. That is my 2024 Indy 500 weekend experience. Hopefully you guys all enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed bringing it to you. Also, I kind of want to apologize for the rather late upload of this. I've been out of town. I've been working on other videos. A lot of things came up since I came back from Indianapolis. And for the most part, I was mainly hanging out with, you know, Robbie, Brian, which obviously I want to thank them for their hospitality. Also, Robbie for giving me the opportunity to come back to Indianapolis. Once again, it was a great weekend. Albeit Mother Nature tried to ruin our plans. Thankfully, she did not rain on the Indianapolis 500, even though the race started 4 hours and basically the race ended up finishing at its latest time ever. But in the end, it was all worth it because I got to see my boy Joseph Newgarden get the win. 2 in a row, may I remind you. Does Joseph possibly get 3 in a row? We'll have to wait until next year. But anyways, folks, that is going to do it for this vlog here on the channel. Let me know down in the comments below if any of you guys watching this were actually at the Indianapolis 500. Be sure to give the video a like. And if you are new and this is the first time you are seeing my channel, not only do I post these vlogs, but I also post gameplays, live streams, so much more. So if you guys are new, be sure to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you'll be notified of future videos. But with that said, folks, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all on the next video. Remember, stay safe, always stay humble and kind, and I hope you all have a fan-blocking-tastic day.